Very important daily use sentences with Hindi. Speak, बोलना. Would you please speak slowly? Next word, try, कोशिश करना. I will try my level best. Dare, हिम्मत करना. How dare you saying that? Next word, fill, भरना. I made him fill the bucket. Next word, nothing, कुछ नहीं. I have nothing to say. Next word, younger, उम्र में छोटा होना. Kumar is younger than Sita. Understand, समझाना. I can't make you understand. Get, पाना. I get my hair cut in Delhi. Happen, होना. What happened? You are looking sad. Need, ज़रूरत होना. I badly need a job. Next word, having, लेना या रखना. I am having my lunch. Next word, late, देर. We are getting late. We are getting late. There, वहाँ. You need to go there. You need to go there. Lockdown, बंद करना. Lockdown has made everyone's life hell. Difficult, कठिन या मुश्किल. Getting job is very difficult. Next word, feel, महसूस करना. इंग्लिश में कैसे यूज़ करेंगे? How do you feel now? How do you feel now? Mind, दिमाग. इसको इंग्लिश में इस तरीके से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Use your mind to do this. Next word is welcome. हिंदी होती है स्वागत करना. Go and welcome them. Next word is properly, ठीक से. इसको यूज़ करेंगे इंग्लिश में. Do the dishes properly. Do the dishes properly. Next word is fun, मज़ा. इसको इंग्लिश में यूज़ करेंगे. We had a lot of fun. Next word is sleep. हिंदी होती है सोना. I have to sleep in this room. Next word is tell, कहना या सुनाना. Let me tell you a story. Next word is itch, खुजली. इसको यूज़ इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं. It's itching in my hands. Next word is mobile. हिंदी में मोबाइल. His mobile is not charged. Next word is want, चाहना. What do you want now? What do you want now?